Hi, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you what I've done with my front porch and my foyer for spring. It's been a long time coming, but it's finally here. And what I've done in those areas is coming right up. Hi, it's Kay. Welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Before I begin sharing my porch and foyer, I'd first like to thank everyone for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. Oh, I was so excited, I didn't know what to do. We wait and we wait and we wait for that to happen, and then it's like, bam, it's here. So I was so excited. I want to thank you all. I really appreciate it. And soon I'll be sharing what I'll be doing for a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so please be listening out for that. So for the tour. So on my front porch, I have this wonderful mat to greet you, and it says, welcome family and friends, because that's what I want you to feel is welcome. And here I have my front door, which is painted yellow. It took me a long time to find that perfect yellow, but I found it after I saw this large vase in Home Goods, one of my favorite places to shop. The yellow that is in this vase, I transported that to the front door to bring a little bit of harmony to my porch. And here on the door we have my wreath that I made, my pink rose wreath. And those of you who have subscribed because I made this wreath, more wreaths are coming in the future. At this point, I'm going to try to start incorporating at least one a month so that you can see more of the things that you also came to this channel for. On my yellow vase, I have this orange container, which I got last year with flowers in it. And now I've just placed some daffodils and tulips in it, which is an early spring flower, and that will adorn my porch for now. On the other side of the porch, you will see I have a rocking chair, and it's been cleaned, but it needs a good thorough cleaning. And I'm waiting for the weather to get hot so that I can power wash it and it'll dry within one day, because I don't want the water to sit in it and just mold it. As we come down the sides of the front of the house, you will see I have some hostas starting to peek through the ground, and this rhododendron bush has started to bloom. So spring is starting to pop up, and soon I'll have beautiful flowers, and these hostas will be filling in across the entire front of my porch. Once these hostas come in, I plan to transport a few and put them under a tree I have in the front, because it's pretty bare underneath of that. So far I haven't been doing well with getting something to grow on that shady spot. As we enter my front door, you will see beautiful blossoms in this floral arrangement I made years ago. I was thinking about changing this and changing the vase, but I thought, no, let's get one more year out of it, and then next year we'll paint the vase and do something different. Underneath is this beautiful birdhouse that I found from Hobby Lobby. So I painted some white across the bottom. I filled it up with some old palm leaves that I had for my branches, and put a few decorative eggs in there that I also got at Hobby Lobby. To the right, I have another standing vase with florals in it, and dream catchers are on the wall. So that's pulling in a little bit of my Native American lineage into my home decor. So folks, that's it for my front porch and my foyer for the spring. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, thank you for helping my channel to grow and becoming a part of this family. I hope you have a wonderful spring and Easter season, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.